Welcome back. Have you ever placed an order with igus and the box arrives, you open it up, you see all those parts and pieces and think, boy, I don't know if I know enough about this to get it installed. Well, what I want to introduce to you today is Orange Services and show you how igus might be able to help right after this. My name's Jason Fried and I'm an industry manager here at igus. So we're launching a new business unit called Orange Services. And Orange Services can help you plan, develop specific engineered solutions for your applications. We can do retrofit, refit, simple site supervision, pretty much ensuring that your project is going to succeed as intended. So what this video series is going to be about is more instructional. I'm going to step you through some common pitfalls, some areas you might want to look at, certainly things that you see that you might want to call igus or have an Orange Service professional reach out to you. But really, this idea of this channel is not really to tell you about what Orange Services can do, which we will a little bit, but really tackle common problems, common things in the field that I've seen over my 10 years working with igus to help you make sure that your project is going to work. So please be on the lookout as these videos will come out every couple weeks. We'll keep them all curated here in this YouTube channel and then also searchable. So if you're looking for something specific on strain relief or repairing a broken chain or simple installation guidelines, come back and see us. Thanks and stay safe.